U-shaped aluminum alloy edging strip, mold opening and customization with high precision. Color and style can be customized freely. Environmentally friendly and beautiful. Waterproof, fireproof, anti-corrosion, and moth-proof. Precision, sturdiness, durability, long life. Xingqiu aluminum can provide a variety of aluminum profiles to meet the needs of shower room profiles. In production, quality is our primary consideration. All of our shower room profiles are made of high-quality aluminum alloy with high strength and impact resistance, providing reliable protection while maintaining a beautiful appearance. The U-shaped aluminum alloy edging strip is beautiful, not easy to wear, and has good anti-skid performance. It has strong corrosion resistance, easy to clean. Different colors can be obtained through surface treatment. If you are looking for a unique, durable, and elegant shower room aluminum profile supplier, Xingqiu Aluminum is the perfect business partner with over 32 years of experience. We can realize professional customization according to your design drawings or samples. Feel free to contact us anytime.